Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. Today, we are going to show you how to create branded presentations, documents, websites, and social media posts with AI in minutes using a custom theme. Let's dive in. Creating a custom theme. To create presentations, documents, websites, and social posts with the same brand look and feel, the first thing we need to do is to create a custom theme. Let's start from the Gamma dashboard. To create a new theme, click on the Themes tab and then New Theme. There are different ways to create your new theme. Build a theme. Start a theme from scratch. Import file. Upload a PowerPoint or Google Slides document with your brand elements. Gamma will automatically detect and extract them all. Pro tip. You can start with any of our professionally designed themes for your new theme. This allows you to try out different variations. Customizing your theme. Now let's explore the customization options. You can preview your theme at all times on the left. Color. Choose the main color palette for your theme. You can start with curated palettes or customize it completely to define specific accent colors, as well as those used for text and background. Under this tab, you can also customize the page background by choosing from images, solid colors, or gradients. Fonts. Here you'll find a set of curated fonts combined for a harmonious look. You can also define specific fonts for headings and body text. Access advanced options to give your theme a unique style. If you want to use a custom font, check out this video to learn how to add custom fonts into Gamma. Design. You'll find a set of curated styles here, but you have control over each element, such as cards, blocks, content, buttons, and links. Logo. Upload your brand logo to display it in all presentations, documents, websites, and social media posts you create with this theme. Once you're satisfied with the look of your theme, give it a name so you can easily identify it later. That's how you create a custom theme. Now, let's learn how to use it to make your presentations, documents, websites, and social media posts on brand with just one click. Using a custom theme. You can use your custom theme to create new Gamma projects or apply it to existing ones. When creating a new project, click on the Custom tab in the Theme Selection window. Find your newly created theme by its name, select it, and generate your project as usual. It will look on brand right from the start. For existing projects with a different theme, click the Theme button at the top. Go to the Custom tab and choose your theme. Your presentation will instantly look on brand. Now that you've learned how to create a custom theme, your imagination is the only limit. You can share your personal style or brand and make sure that your presentations, documents, websites, and social media posts always look on brand. Start for free at gamma.app and make stellar content in a flash. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on how to use Gamma.